Greetings, my name is Timothy Collinson and I'm the Faculty Librarian for Technology, and this very short video is going to have a look at how you can find journal titles. Another video will look at actually finding journal articles. So to do that we need to go to the library homepage, which I hope you can see there, and then what we need to do is go to Using Resources and scroll down to Journals and e-Journals, and on that page you'll find a little bit of information about journals and e-journals, and in the middle of the page there you can see a button to click on Publications Search Page, and this is a kind of master list of all the journals that we have in the library. I may need to log in, particularly if I'm on off campus as I am today, and you may find you need to do the same. But if we click through to that and use our normal university login and password, then we get this search box. And as I say, this is a master list for all the electronic journals that we take. And I'm going to do a search for something like The New Scientist. I don't need capitals there. So lowercase will do. And if we press return or click on the search button, you can see there a list of the results that it's giving us. And in fact, it looks like that top hit is the one that we want to have a look at. And as you'll see here, we actually get this in two different databases. One is called Academic Search Ultimate and one is called Computers and Applied Sciences Complete. And both of them run from 2002 to the present day with a full text delay of 1 month. If you're used to finding the Nexus link to just the plain text of The New Scientist right up to the current present day, you'll find, I'm afraid, that that is no longer an option, sadly. But you can click through either of those databases, whichever you prefer. You might prefer how one works than the other, and you should be able to read New Scientist from 2002 onwards with that slight delay. You might, though, also want to have a look for print journals in the library, and we do still have a few, and The New Scientist actually is one of them. So if I go back to the library homepage, the way to do this is to click to search library resources up here, and now to use the library catalogue to search for the title that we're interested in. And you can search by keyword as well. You don't have to just use titles if you want to try keyword searching. And you can see it's giving us nearly 6,000 results, and The New Scientist is the top one, but that's not always the case for every journal you might be searching for. And a particular example of that might be Science, which can produce lots of results. So what you can do on the left-hand side is refine to just journals and serials, and there you'll see that we find a couple of titles, including The New Scientist at the top. And if you click on that, you'll find there the kind of the library catalogue record for The New Scientist, and it will tell you where it is in the library up on the second floor, and it will also tell you roughly what holdings we have, in this case from 1956 onwards, although we don't have absolutely every single issue. So that's the two ways of finding a journal title, and you can do that by title or by keyword, and the subsequent video will have a look at actually finding journal articles. So we hope that gives you a little bit of a clue into finding journal material, just a start really. And if you've got any questions about that, please don't hesitate to email us or to chat with us using the 24/7 chat, or to come into the library or to talk to us on the phone.